Welcome to Math Made Easy. Today, we are going to learn about fractions, specifically proper and improper fractions. My name is Benjamin, and I will guide you through the steps to understand and work with these types of fractions. In this video, we will cover the basics of fractions. We'll start by understanding what fractions are, then dive into proper fractions and improper fractions, and finally learn how to convert between them. A fraction represents a part of a whole. It consists of a numerator, which is the top number, and a denominator, which is the bottom number. For example, in the fraction 1/2, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Let's look at proper fractions. A proper fraction is where the numerator is less than the denominator. For example, in the fraction 3/4, 3 is less than 4, making it a proper fraction. Now, let's talk about improper fractions. An improper fraction is where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. For example, in the fraction 5/3, 5 is greater than 3, making it an improper fraction. Let's take an improper fraction, like 7/4, and convert it to a mixed number. First, divide the numerator by the denominator. 7 divided by 4 equals 1 with a remainder of 3. So, 7/4 can be written as 1 3/4. Now, let's convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. Take 2 1/2. Multiply the whole number by the denominator. 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and add the numerator, for plus 1 is equal to 5. So, 2 1/2 becomes 5/2. Fractions are not just for math class, they are useful in everyday life too. For example, you might need to use fractions when cooking, measuring materials for a project, or dividing objects among people. Understanding fractions helps us manage these situations effectively. Now it's your turn. Here are a few practice problems: 5/6, 7/8, and 9/2. Pause the video and try to solve these problems on your own. Once you're ready, resume the video to check your answers.
Enjoying the video? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video so we can continue sharing great content such as this one.
Let's check the solutions. 5/6 is already a proper fraction, 7/8 is a proper fraction, and 9/2 is an improper fraction which can be converted to 4 1/2. Great job if you got these right. If not, don't worry, just practice a bit more. To recap, we learned about fractions and their components. We distinguished between proper and improper fractions and practiced converting between them. Remember, fractions are a useful tool in many areas of life, and with practice, you can master them. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more math tutorials and tips. Don't forget to like this video and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Check out our other videos for more math lessons and resources. See you next time.